Good morning. I'm making my way out to my winter camp. Thought I'd stop in and check on my trail cam. It's been sitting in the same location for quite a few months. I think it's time to move it. I actually remembered to bring out my key for a change. So let's have a look. I found a new location for my trail cam. It's looking straight down this game trail, so the animals are going to be in the shot for a lot longer. I was actually going to film a video on tips and tricks for trail cam, but I just didn't have enough time to prepare. So if I did it off the top of my head, I'd probably forget a lot of things. So I just have to remember to turn it on, and I'm going to keep going. Well, it's still storming out there pretty good. In case you're new to my channel, this is my winter camp. It's my safe retreat for when the weather turns bad. I'm just making some lunch right now. I'll probably go out and split some wood and haul some wood to camp. But that's about it. It's not really the greatest weather to be outside today. There, I got one more load of wood back to camp. Everything that I split up today is stacked up. I want to keep it off the ground. I don't know how much snow we're going to get. I got plenty of firewood, so I don't need my chainsaw for a while. And I think it's just about time to leave. Sure is a good feeling knowing that all my work is done. My trail cam is set up for next time. Snowing and blowing outside, smoking a pipe, having a drink on the inside. Got a nice fire going. But unfortunately, pretty soon I have to brave this weather, make a long trek back, plus I have to bring 2 gallons of gas back home. Been sitting out here for quite a while. It's too old for using in my chainsaw. I tell you, I'm pretty tempted to spend the night. I got my air mattress, my pump, my nice new bed frame I built on my last trip. But lately I've been burning the candle at both ends and I really need a good night's sleep in my own bed. The storm's getting pretty bad. I think it's time to leave. Just going to quickly finish up my chores and get going. Thanks for watching.
If you like our content,
feel free to subscribe here.
Don't forget to hit that bell.
So you'll get a notification as soon as a new video is uploaded.
And we hope to
catch you guys on another video.